Hey guys, it's Jody with C.O.D. Outdoors. Just wanted to show you guys some upgrades that I've done to the mini bike, to the BT 200X. Makes it look a little bit better, and actually got a little more power out of it. What I done was done a governor delete, and I also added the 18-pound valve springs and got them dialed in, and it gave me a better throttle response, and it stays consistent in the throttle now, not like it used to. But I'll show you guys things I've done to it. Starting off, first of all, guys, you'll probably notice the gas tank. Got that from Amazon. It was like $23. It's actually for a bicycle with a motor. I just got it for aesthetics. It's not actually functional right now. It is a functioning gas tank, but I just got it because of the way it looks. And it doesn't hold near as much as the original, so I left the original tank on. That's an aesthetic upgrade. Also, like I said, I added the 18-pound valve springs and done a governor delete. And if you guys don't know what that is, just search it and go watch Redbeard's Garage. I'll put a link down in the description. Go watch his channel and he will show you how to do that. And I did upgrade my pipe some. It was I didn't have a mount here. It was just hanging loose, just attached here at the head, but it kept breaking the weld, so I had to put a mount here because this thing has no suspension on the rear and it's solid. But now I don't have trouble out of that anymore. And I added a tool bag from a motorcycle that I had before. I just added that on the back of behind the seat there. I think the gas tank really made it look good. It made it look more like a motorcycle, and I like it, guys. It functions well. I have no complaints at all. Also raised up the headlight some. It was down low, so I made myself a bracket to raise it up a good bit, actually. Inch and a half, almost 2 inches. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good, guys. I'm out riding today. Just having a little bit of fun. Hey guys, while I'm out here riding, I just want to show you guys this waterfall. It's a pretty nice one. Very pretty. It goes all the way up the hill there. It's actually a man-made waterfall. This mine company that was in here, they diverted the creek around the ridge up there and created this waterfall. It is pretty though. Got to show you guys one of the upgrades I've done on the beanie bike. These steel foot pegs. This bike came with aluminum foot pegs on it, and one of them broke back here next to the frame where it goes on. So I took some pipe and made my own, and they work really good. They look pretty cool too. I just took my welder and welded some zigzags and some lines to give me something for my feet, for my boots to grip on. I've got her pretty dirty today, guys. I also done, I don't know if I showed you guys the last time, but I done a 2-inch rise on my handlebars. Got my Go Power Sports sticker on the front. That's where I got my spring. That's where I got my valve springs from. Alright guys, I'm gonna head on up this road here and see where it goes to.